Hi, and welcome back to the Football Shirt Review. Today we are looking at the Plymouth Argyle home shirt for the 25-26 season. And this shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Delivery timescales, you're looking at about 10 days, 10 to 15 days to get the item, which is absolutely perfect. This is the first Plymouth shirt that I've done on this channel. And the reason for purchasing this one is you're starting to see a lot more of the, and I say this in the nicest possible way, the lower league teams appearing now, not just the top like Premier League and international teams. So it's really good to see. I will also leave a DHGate link for my usual seller. It won't be for this item. It'll be for a generic item on their site, but I will leave that anyway so that you can see the other items. So the shirt comes in a standard Puma bag, and on the flip side, it is plain. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, the seller of this one is kitmm.com. All the details in the description of this video. So what we'll do is we'll get the bag open and let's take a look at this Plymouth Argyle home shirt for the 25-26 season. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt and it has got a proper collar. It is slightly curved over there from where it was in the bag, but once the shirt's been worn or washed, that will soon go back to how it should be. Sleeves, you do have a Puma on both sides, and that's vinyled on. Same type of vinyl that's here, and that feels really smooth. There is one of the little blemishes there, look, and there's another one there just where the colour hasn't gone all the way through. And the Plymouth badge is just here, and that's been embroidered onto the material. I'm just checking, this is a XL, but it seems quite small. I don't know why. A white band around the sleeve, and then at the bottom we have dry cell, and we have the Puma authentic licensed product. If I pull the shirt out a little bit and put my hand under it, you can see that it is quite see-through, but it's not too bad. So if you are wearing this, you could get away, I think, with wearing it just as it is. You're not going to see if you've got any tattoos or anything underneath. I do like, though, the pattern in the shirt. I assume that's probably history, is it, of Plymouth crests or something in there? If anybody knows, drop me a comment below, but I really do like that design. That's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around now and look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're onto the reverse side of the shirt now. And again, you can see the Pumas on the sleeve, or the top of the sleeve. So that's been embroidered on with just standard embroidered on. It's been vinyled on. Collar looks nice and tidy, and there is a big old crease down there from where it's been in the bag. But once it's been worn, so they will soon disappear. We've got no names and numbers or anything on the back of this one. I tend not to do that when it's an early shirt, just because you don't know which players are staying. And to be fair, I'm not a big, I don't claim to know a lot about teams like Plymouth, in all honesty. I like getting the shirts to look at and show you guys, but yeah, I don't know much about their squad. So when I do get some of these teams that I don't really know, I just go on Wikipedia and have a quick look. But yeah, too early for me to go get a name and number at the moment. But that's the reverse side. Let's take a look at the inside now as well. Okay, we're now onto the inside of the shirt, and there's the collar line. Again, that crease which will come out. The Plymouth badge, I mentioned, been embroidered on. That looks really quite tidy. Collar line looks absolutely fine as well. Stitching is a little bit off there, but that's nothing to really worry about. We've got the Puma, bit of fluff. Puma on the sleeves, you can't see those because that's gone really nicely. There'd be a Puma here somewhere, there just to make it out. And obviously no sponsor or anything on this one. Down at the bottom, we do have our washing instructions with QR code. Recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out as it is now and put it on hand wash setting. Do not put them in a tumble dryer. Just let them hang dry, because otherwise things like the Puma, obviously we're on the inside, but the Puma there and up here and on that side potentially could peel off. So my recommendation is to always just let them hang dry. Hemline doesn't look too bad. Yeah, looks okay. That's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's flip it around and look at the final part. Okay, we have the Puma and the size in there. Puma again, the tag. Maybe this is 2XL. Maybe I've got 2XL on this one. So you've got the Puma tags that come with it, moisture management. A little bit of excess cotton there, but we can soon sort that out with a pair of scissors. And that side all looks absolutely fine. Again, put my hand underneath it from this side. You can see my hand. I just make sure I get the sunlight glistening on it. But yeah, I'm not too concerned about how see-through that is. If I push in on here, you cannot see the crest. You cannot really see. No, you can't at all. I don't even know where it is in all honesty. It's here, the Puma. So yeah, you can't see through it at all. But that's the inside of this shirt done. Not a lot to call out because I say we've got no names and numbers. But there it is. And there we have it, our Plymouth Argyle home shirt for the 25-26 season from kitmm.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. You're looking at between 10 to 15 days for the item to arrive, which is absolutely perfect. I will also leave a DHGate link for my usual seller. It won't be to this item, it'll be just for something on their site, but it will then enable you to take a look and see what other items they have. For me, I really do like this one. I like the pattern that's in the shirt, but someone, yeah, just let me know. I assume that is a history of Plymouth badges, but yeah, just let me know if that's correct or not. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as we take the final look, that is the Plymouth Argyle home shirt for the 25-26 season from kitmm.com. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.